Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a form on JotForm. First, navigate to the JotForm website and log into your account. If you are new, signing up is quick and free. Once logged in, you will see options to create a new form. You can choose to build a form from scratch, use a pre-made template, or even import an existing form. For this guide, we will select the Start from Scratch option to give us full control over the design and functionality. Now that you have a blank canvas, it is time to design your form. JotForm offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. Simply select elements like text boxes, drop-downs, or radio buttons from the left panel and place them onto your form. Each element has customizable properties, allowing you to adjust labels, add placeholders, and set validation rules. You can also organize your form into multiple pages or sections, and even implement conditional logic to show or hide fields based on user input. With your form elements in place, let us focus on its appearance and settings. JotForm provides extensive customization options, including pre-designed themes, color palettes, and the ability to add custom CSS for advanced styling. Beyond aesthetics, you can integrate your form with over 100 popular third-party applications, like Google Drive or MailChimp. Do not forget to configure submission settings, set up email notifications for new entries, and design a compelling thank you page for your respondents. Finally, it is time to publish and share your completed form. JotForm offers several publishing options. You can embed the form directly onto your website, share a unique direct link, or even assign it to specific users. Once published, you can easily monitor all submissions and manage your data through the JotForm inbox. JotForm also provides robust reporting and analytics tools, allowing you to gain valuable insights from your collected data and make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.